Paws up, cat lovers, ready to have your mind blown by your feline friend? Did you know cats don't have a sweet tooth? Yep, unlike dogs, they just don't dig the sweets. And here's a wild one. When cats chase their prey, they keep their heads perfectly level. Talk about focus! Ever heard of a bezoar? That's the fancy term for a hairball. Oh, and a group of cats? It's called a clouder. Meow velus, right? Cats also can't climb down trees head first because of their claws, they have to back down. Plus, they can make over 100 different sounds while dogs can only muster up about 10. Sorry, dog lovers. And get this, a cat's purr can actually help them heal. It's like having a personal doctor. Stay curious, cat fans, and give your kitty an extra treat today.